Hello children, welcome back. Children, in the last class I told you what are adjectives, isn't it? What are adjectives? The words that we use to describe the nouns, the naming words, they are called as adjectives. Now today we will be doing comparison of adjectives. Now what is comparison of adjectives? Comparison means when you compare two things or two people together, then you say it is we are doing comparison between the things or person. Okay, I'll give you example. Not only two things, but comparison is done two or more than things or person. Then you use the word comparison. Okay, now how do we do and what do we compare with? We compare with the adjectives, means the quality of a person, or I'll give you an example. Suppose I'll show you. This is a sanitizer. Okay, it is a small bottle of sanitizer. It is also a sanitizer. Now this sanitizer is smaller than this, isn't it? It is a big one, it is a small. So you can say, if we have to compare these bottles, you can say this sanitizer is, the sanitizer with the green bottle is smaller than this sanitizer, the white bottle, isn't it? Or we can say like this also, that the white bottle sanitizer is bigger than the green bottle sanitizer, isn't it? Now I'll show you one more. Now see, this is the biggest, isn't it? It is bigger than these two. So if we have to compare these three bottles together, then we will say this is small, this is big, and this is biggest, isn't it? This bottle is bigger than this bottle. This bottle is bigger than this bottle. Okay, and this bottle is bigger than this bottle. Now if we have to compare these three bottles, we will say this bottle is the biggest of all these three bottles, isn't it? So we are comparing these three bottles and we are saying that this is big, this is small, and it is bigger than this, and this one is the biggest one. Okay, in the same way I'll show you one more example. Now see, I am tall, she is short, isn't it? Now she is shorter than me. If we compare our height, then we will say she is shorter than me and I am taller than her, isn't it? Or if we compare our age, she is younger than me. She is young and I am old. So we will say she is younger than me and I am older than her. Okay, now can you understand the comparison? Now I'll give you one more comparison. Now see, she is short, I am taller than her, and he is tallest among all three of us, isn't it? He is the tallest person among all of us. Now she is the youngest in our family and he is the eldest in our family. Understood the comparison? Have you understood the comparison? Now what happened when we compare? Mostly we use ER to the adjectives or EST to do the comparison of adjectives. Okay, now as I told you, as I gave you the example of sanitizer, so the adjective word is big, This is an adjective. Big, bigger, and biggest. Biggest. Okay. Now I gave you the example of my daughter and my husband. So in that you can say the word tall, taller, and tallest. Then this was the comparison of height. Now the comparison of age also I gave you. My daughter is younger than me, young. This is the adjective word, and younger and youngest. Okay, youngest. So these are the comparison words. Comparison. We are doing comparison between the words, the adjectives. We are using ER and EST to do the comparison. Now children, these are, as I explained you this, okay, I will give you one more example. Now see the fingers in your hands. All the fingers, they are not of your same length. Are they of same length? No, they are not. They are different in length. Now the thumb is the shortest among. If we compare all the fingers together, we will say the thumb is the shortest among all the fingers. Now if we have to say which is the tallest finger, now we will say the middle finger, this finger is the tallest among all these fingers. So I hope you people have understood the example. Few examples are given in your book also. Okay, go through the book. Now the picture is saying Nitin is tall. Now Tina is taller than Nitin. Now Tina is there, Nitin is tall, but Tina is more taller than Nitin. So taller, when we add ER to an adjective, it becomes comparison of adjective. Okay, I hope you have understood. The table, one table is given for the adjective. Comparison of adjective, and you will have to learn the comparison. This table you will have to learn. Then only you will be able to understand what are the adjectives and what comparison of adjective those adjectives form as. Okay. We use EST to form the, when we use ER, we compare two people or two things together, as I explained you earlier. Okay. But when we compare many things together, we add EST like these. When we compare two things or two people together, we add ER. Okay. And when we compare many things or many people together, then we add EST to the adjective. All of you know what are adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words for noun. As I showed you this bottle is a noun. Yes, it is a naming word, as I have told you. So we are describing these as tall, big, short. Okay, as I told you, I am also a person, so I am noun. And what quality you told about me, that I am tall, I am old. In the same way, we told about my daughter that she is younger than me, she is shorter than me, isn't it? And she is the youngest in my family. So I hope you have understood the comparison. When we compare two things or two people together, we use ER to an adjective, and when we compare many things or many people together, we add EST to the adjective words to make them comparatively superlative. They are called as superlative adjectives. Okay, you will learn this more when you will go in higher classes. Till now you just study about the comparison of adjectives, and that is you add ER and EST to do the comparison of adjectives. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you have any problem in understanding more, if you have any problem in the bookwork and all, I will send you all the PDF of the bookwork. Please call me whenever you feel. Okay, thank you.